rainforest. Hooray! They love going on the trip. So next day, they all get on the school bus. Maria is sitting her friends Pablo, our moms and dads are wearing. Goodbye, have a nice trip. On the bus, Mrs. Fernandez talks about rainforest. Rainforests are very important. There are a lot of animals and plants here too. Wow! Pablo doesn't say anything. He doesn't feel very well. His face is red. 2 hours later, the bus stops. Maria and her class climb down and English party is over. Goodbye, dear friends.